The question today is, what can I put inside of my dishwasher? The answer varies. It depends on what machine you have. If it's a stainless steel tub as we have here versus a plastic tub or a hybrid tub that's both stainless plated and plastic, those tub materials aren't just about sound dampening, but it's about water temperature and how aggressive of a wash cycle it's going to have. Usually a telltale sign of if you could put crystal or china or stemware into your dishwasher is the fact that it has a crystal, china, or stemware cycle on the dishwasher. Now, that doesn't mean those things cannot get ruined. That doesn't mean that those things are approved to go into the dishwasher. Really, the safe bet is looking on the bottom side of your plates, your glasses, whatever the case may be, and looking for the words dishwasher safe or a photo of water coming across the dish indicating that it's dishwasher safe. A lot of people think pots and pans aren't dishwasher safe, which some of them aren't. Again, you're gonna wanna look on the bottom of the cookware to tell you whether it's gonna be safe or not. A dishwasher that we carry that's really known to be safe for any kind of cookware, any kind of stemware, any kind of utensil would be the Miele line of dishwashers. They're gonna offer a china crystal setting for those fine dining kind of pieces, but anything from pots and pans to cookie sheets are gonna be safe in there too.